The reward for Thor's good deeds? A shiny bicycle.
A lump of coal.
I love my son Thor and not my son Loki, and Santa agrees. My parenting is most inequitable.
I am off to the Rainbow Bridge to offer rides to the shirtless, muscular warriors who there congregate.
Next Christmas, victory shall belong to Loki, god of mischief. I'm Thor and I'm very thirsty. No one minds if I get another. I'm Thor and I'm I got great aim because I'm the god of thunder. Oh, don't worry, I got it. Hey, nice to meet you, Thor, god of thunder. By the way, eat this.
By my own beard, is it Christmas Day or opposite day? Nay, it is Christmas Day!
I have been good, I have! Santa Claus shall taste the thunder god's wrath. Good God, but not good enough for ye, eh? Have at thee! Thor did none of this. Why would a thunder god refill his soda e'en after his thirst was slaked, or urinate hither and yon, or murder an old woman? Well, I diddeth not the other two. I smell my brother's deceitful hand in this. Rise, noble Claus. Thou wast fooled, as was I. Loki's villainy must be revealed.
I'm Thor as hell.
He's a madman! Stop him! Fear not, Santa Claus. You yourself shall make Loki pay. A year hence, when you bring him a lump of coal on Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, everyone!
God of thunder!